Oh no! Here are no flowers to pluck, but all are buds. It's okay. I will pluck them in the evening. Wow! All the buds are bloomed. These are looking very beautiful. I don't want to pluck the beautiful flowers. Let them be in the plant.
Subtracting 0. Number of flowers in the plant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of flowers plucked by the girl. The girl does not pluck any flower, so 0. The number of flowers left in the plant is 5. Dear friends, from this subtraction, we come to know that if we subtract 0 from any number, the answer will be the same number. My dear friends, look at this pond. A duck is swimming. It is very hungry too. The duck is trying to capture the butterflies to eat. Look at there. Now the duck is going to catch the butterfly. Oops, the butterfly is escaped. It's okay. There are 2 more butterflies. Oh no, it is also escaped. There is only 1 butterfly left. The last butterfly is also escaped. The duck is looking very sad. It could not catch any butterfly. Subtracting 0. Number of butterflies in the pond. 1, 2, 3. Number of butterflies caught by the duck. The duck could not catch any butterfly, so it is 0. Number of butterflies left alive. All the 3 butterflies left alive, so 3. From this subtraction also, we come to know that if we subtract 0 from any number, the answer will be the same number. Thank you, friends.